Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Zillow for real estate marketing, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Zillow website or opening the Zillow app on your device. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your account to access all features. Use the search bar at the top to find properties in your desired area. Enter a specific location, or use filters to narrow down your search. Explore individual property listings to gather important details. Take note of pricing, property features, and photographs. Utilize the Get a Quote feature for a quick estimate on property values. Exit the listings and navigate to the marketing section in your account. Consider using the Zillow Premier Agent program to enhance your visibility. Sign up for Premier Agent to get leads from interested buyers. Customize your profile to showcase your expertise in previous sales. Add high-quality photos and accurate descriptions of your listings. Regularly update your listings to keep them current and appealing. Use the Post a Listing feature to advertise your properties. Ensure that all property details are accurate to avoid confusion. Use Zillow's social media sharing options to promote your listings. Connect your Zillow account to your social media profiles for wider reach. Engage with potential buyers who inquire about your listings. Respond promptly to questions to build a good rapport. Utilize Zillow's analytics tools to monitor the performance of your listings. Analyze which properties receive the most views and inquiries. Adjust your marketing strategies based on this data for better results. Consider using Zillow's 3D Home feature to create virtual tours. This can enhance buyer engagement and interest in your properties. Leverage Zillow's blog and resources to stay updated on industry trends. Continue to educate yourself on Zillow's tools and features regularly. Build relationships with other professionals in your area through the platform. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.